Hey everyone. I was feeling a little sad today, so I thought I'd do a little video on some healing sounds for the lungs. The lungs connect to both the energy of depression and grief, sadness, and sorrow. And on the other side of that is creating courage and filling up with light and inspiration and really letting go. So let's begin by sitting up straight. If you can, sit on the edge of your chair. Feel your feet planted really solid on the earth, on the ground. Connect with that grounded energy. Sit up tall, stretch the vertebrae apart by stretching the crown towards the heavens, relaxing the shoulders. Let's put our hands in front of our heart and just breathe. Take a nice deep breath. And bring a gentle smile to your face, remembering some joyful occasion that makes you smile. Connecting with that energy and how that feels in the body, and just letting go of that image of what brought the smile to your face, and just hold on to that feeling, that inner smile. When we smile from the inside out, we let go of stress and tension and let that joy fill up our body and our mind. And imagine that smile from the face coming down through the heart. Boomer's wanting to say hello. And then down into the abdomen. Connecting our energy centers of the mind, body, and spirit. Now let's hold our hands in front of our lungs and take a deep breath again. Deep belly breath. And just think about how are your lungs taking in life, and how are they letting go of life with the exhale. Picture that yin and yang. How are we taking in life? Are we breathing shallow and timid or sad? And are we able to let go and release with the exhale? Renewing with each breath on the inhale. Cleansing, purging with the exhale. And then let's put the hands down, facing up as we breathe in. Come bring the hands up over the head, palms facing the sky, looking up, opening up the chest, pulling back the elbows just a little bit. Take a deep breath in again. And exhale with a and the hands down to the legs. Just relax and imagine the lungs filled with the white, healing light. Releasing that sadness and sorrow and grief. Letting go. And the hands over the lungs again, seeing that white healing light light up the inside of the lungs. Just picture them as white, healing energy, releasing the gray sadness and breathing in that white healing light, bringing more energy and inspiration and courage. And hands down, palm up as we breathe in, palms out towards the sky. And exhale. Hands on the legs. Feeling that inspiration grow, the energy grow, the courage fill in, allowing the letting go of the sadness. Hands on the lungs, feel that white light filling up. Replacing where the gray energy has been expelled. Filling it with this bright, luminous light. Breathe it in. Hands down, palms up, breathe in. Bring the hands up, palms out. Elbows back a little bit, opening up. Exhale. Hands at the bottom. Seeing that gray energy being released down into the earth to be composted and recycled. Hands on the lungs. Filling those lungs back up with courage and inspiration, with the freedom to allow that inspiring energy to come in and guide us for our next steps. It's okay to be sad, and it's okay to let it go and refill and refuel that inspiration. Opening up to new ideas, new ways to accomplish goals, new confidence that we can just relax and go with the flow. Being full of that white, sparkling light. And hands down to the legs, and bring your attention back into the room and do some shoulder rolls, opening other direction. And as the light shines in from my windows, from the morning sunshine, I hope this put a little bit of light into your heart and lungs, as it's helped me to feel better, have better energy, and make the best of my day. Take care. Thanks for being here.